Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. No confidence motion against NDA government defeated in Lok Sabha. Gujarat High Court judge who refused to stay Rahul Gandhi's conviction among 23 High Court judges recommended for transfer by the collegium. High Court cites procedural rules while adjourning Nuh and Gurugram demolition case for another week. Allahabad High Court seeks reply from Tehsildar over change of Banke Bihari temple land ownership to graveyard. Delhi High Court grants bail to YSR MP's son Raghav Magunta in excise policy scam case. Kannada actor Sudeep records statement in defamation case. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The no confidence motion moved by the opposition against the government on July 26th has been defeated in the Lok Sabha. This is the second time the present government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has faced a no confidence motion. The first such motion came in the year 2018 over granting special category status to the state of Andhra Pradesh, which was defeated back then. And now the motion came over Manipur violence and other raging issues. In a parliamentary democracy like India, our government has to command a majority in the Lok Sabha, which is a directly elected house, meaning the motion can only be moved in the lower house of the parliament. The no confidence motion rule is embodied in Article 75, Sub-Article 3 of the Constitution of India, which specifies that the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha rules prescribe a mechanism to test the collective responsibility in way of a no confidence motion. As per the rules, any Lok Sabha MP can move the motion with the support of 50 other MPs to challenge the government. Thereafter, a discussion takes place, and the MPs are required to highlight the shortcomings of the government. Finally, the voting takes place, and if the majority votes for the motion, the government has to vacate office. Interestingly, the NDA government has a boasting number of 331 members in its support, while the newly formed India Alliance only has a number of 144 MPs, while 70 MPs belong to neutral parties. The Supreme Court collegium headed by the CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and also comprising Justices S.K. Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai and Suryakant has recommended the transfer of 23 judges from different high courts across the nation. Judges from 8 high courts are recommended for transfer to 10 different high courts for better administration of justice, as per the collegium. Among the judges transferred is Justice Hemant M. Prachak, who has been transferred from the High Court of Gujarat to the Patna High Court. Justice Prachak is the same judge who refused to stay the conviction of Rahul Gandhi in defamation case over the Modi surname remark. The decision of Justice Prachak led to Gandhi remaining a disqualified MP. Gandhi had appealed to the Apex Court, which suspended the conviction against him on August 4th, and his membership as a Lok Sabha MP was then restored. The Punjab and Haryana High Court today adjourned the hearing of the suo motu case against the Nuh and Gurugram demolitions to August 18th, citing procedural rules. A bench of Justices G. S. Sandhavalia and Harpreet Kaur Jeevan took suo motu cognizance of the ongoing demolitions at Nuh and Gurugram, while staying the demolition drive on August 7th, and questioning the state government if it was demolishing buildings belonging to a particular community and conducting ethnic cleansing in the areas. The bench scheduled the matter for today for the state government's response, but the matter was listed before another bench today itself. The new bench of Justice Arun Palli and Justice Jagmohan Bansal cited Chapter 2, Rule 9 of Volume 5 of the Punjab and Haryana High Court rules, that provide that all suo motu PILs initiated by the High Court be placed before the Chief Justice of the High Court for listing before an appropriate bench within 3 days and adjourn the matter till next Friday. The Allahabad High Court has sought a reply from the Tehsildar of Chhata in Mathura district as to how the ownership of land belonging to the Banke Bihari Ji Maharaj temple was changed in the name of a graveyard in revenue records dating 2004. Justice Saurabh Srivastav passed the order on a petition filed by Shri Bihari Ji Seva Trust Mathura. The petitioners sought a direction to the Revenue Authority to correct the entry in the revenue record, which has been illegally made claiming that the land belonged to the Banke Bihari temple but has been registered in name of a graveyard. The petitioners also presented record of rights before the court in support of their claim. The matter has been scheduled for August 17th for next hearing. The Delhi High Court today granted bail to Raghav Magunta, son of YSR Congress MP Magunta S. Reddy, in the Delhi Excise Policy Scam case. Raghav was granted interim bail by Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma on July 18 this year, in the case filed by the Enforcement Directorate. ED did not oppose the bail plea, stating that the accused was cooperating in the investigation and assisting in tracing the proceeds of crime. This is the same case in which the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, is also accused. Popular Kannada actor Sudeep Sanjeev, who filed a defamation case against two producers, namely M.N. Kumar and N.M. Suresh, recorded a statement before the court of Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate in Bengaluru. The actor alleged that the two producers have made false allegations against him in a press conference, claiming that Sudeep had taken money from them for construction of a house in Raja Rajeshwari Nagar. Sudeep claimed that the statements made by the producers have brought him disrespect and affected his reputation, which amounts to defamation. The court headed by Judge Venkanna Basappa Hosamani recorded his statement and asked if he would drop the proceedings and arrive at a compromise if the producers tendered an apology. To this, Sudeep replied that it may send a wrong message. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.